Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Criticism of MicroStrategy'S Bitcoin strategy. SEC Ripple case could drag on until 2026. Coinbase plans to integrate Bitcoin Lightning Network. Did Steve Jobs create Bitcoin? SUSHISWAP suffered a $3.3 million DeFi exploit. NFT market experiences a downturn.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Criticism of MicroStrategy'S Bitcoin strategy. With Bitcoin breaking $29,000 at the time of writing this news, an institutional investor has criticized MicroStrategy'S Bitcoin strategy, suggesting they will eventually have to sell all their acquired BTC. The founder of North Rock Digital Hedge Fund pointed out that the business model is unsustainable and will eventually be a short-selling career. Despite this, some argue that Michael Saylor's Bitcoin bet could be profitable in the future. Others argued that the company should have invested in Ethereum instead of Bitcoin. A comparison page shows that if MicroStrategy had bought ETH instead of BTC, the company would now have 3.68 million ETH valued at $6.883 billion, compared to their BTC holdings valued at $3.926 billion. Institutional investors are buying MicroStrategy stocks to gain indirect exposure to Bitcoin, and during the first quarter of the year, Fidelity and Bank of America bought over $75 million in company stocks. SEC Ripple case could drag on until 2026. The SEC Ripple case could be prolonged until 2026 due to the complexity of the case. The SEC claimed that the price of XRP depends 90% on Bitcoin and Ethereum, which refutes the claim that Ripple is responsible for SP's performance. Lawyer Jeremy Hogan suggested that the judge could rule that all XRP sales since mid-2018 do not fall under the definition of securities, which means that Ripple will only pay a fine and continue business as usual. The price of XRP has increased by 31% in the last 30 days, outperforming other leading cryptocurrencies. However, new complexities in the case could have a negative impact on the asset's prices, such as a decrease in the number of daily active addresses and the selling of coins by whales. Coinbase plans to integrate Bitcoin Lightning Network. Coinbase, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, plans to integrate Bitcoin Lightning Network into its platform, according to its CEO, Brian Armstrong. Armstrong confirmed his intention on Twitter in response to a tweet challenging him for not speaking publicly about the scalability solution of Lightning Network. Although he did not provide details on when the integration will occur, Armstrong said that it's something they will integrate and that he thinks Lightning Network is great. The adoption of Lightning Network has been steadily growing over the last year, with an increase in the amount of Bitcoin locked in the Layer 2 solution and an increase in transaction volume. Coinbase will join other cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Kraken, Bitfinex, Bitstamp, and OKX, that already support the Layer 2 solution. Did Steve Jobs create Bitcoin? That's the question that has arisen after Andy Bio discovered that every Apple Mac computer with the newest macOS software has a hidden copy of the Bitcoin white paper. While some believe that a Bitcoin maximalist employed by Apple added the document, others consider the possibility that Steve Jobs is Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin. Some similarities between Jobs and Satoshi are that both have extensive experience in the technology industry and are closely related to Japanese culture. However, all of this is just speculation, and there is no evidence that Jobs was actually the inventor of Bitcoin. Furthermore, the release of the iPhone at the time the Bitcoin white paper was published speaks against the thesis. To access the Bitcoin white paper on a Mac, it is necessary to run an up-to-date version of the macOS software and open a terminal to copy and paste a specific line of code. SushiSwap suffered a $3.3 million DeFi exploit. SushiSwap, the decentralized exchange DEX, has suffered a DeFi exploit that caused losses of at least $3.3 million for one user. Blockchain security firm PeckShield reported that the exploit was caused by an error in its router processor to contract and recommended that users revoke the contract's permission to avoid losses. The exploited contract was implemented on several blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Phantom, and Avalanche. SUSHISWAP CEO Jared Gray confirmed the incident and advised users to revoke all permissions, adding that the protocol was working with security teams to mitigate the issue. Following the news of the exploit, the Sushi token has fallen 6% in the last 24 hours. NFT market experiences a downturn. The NFT market is experiencing a downturn as investors reduce their spending on art and luxury items. Global art sales increased by 3% in 2022, compared to a 30% increase in 2021. Decreased demand for low-quality work, concerns about recession, rampant inflation, and rising interest rates are some of the factors that have impacted the art and luxury market. In addition, younger consumers are cutting back on their spending, which has also affected sales of art-related goods, which fell by approximately 50% in 2022. However, China is expected to be the key to revitalizing the art and luxury market, as its market played a crucial role in the recovery following the 2008 financial crisis. The resurgence of luxury purchases and positive signs from brands such as Prada and Moncler are a good omen.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking